Congratulations all SSC candidates. So now I'd like to request Nusrat, please come on the stage and say a few words about your result.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Nusrat Jahan. I have completed my SSC examination from Government Mohammadpur Model School and College. Currently I'm studying English in English Fantasy, and I have got GPA 5 in my SSC examination. Alhamdulillah, I'm blessed with my result. The story behind getting these marks was really different for me, because the pre-test examination, which was held in June 2022, I didn't make a good result in pre-test. I hardly got A+ in 2 subjects, and the rest of ones were literally bad. I even got A- and B in some subjects. So I was just devastated. After getting the result of that in mid of July, I was suffering from I was just not in a good mood. Actually, the environment around me was just putting me down and telling me, you can't do anything. We can't even expect a B from you in the SSC examination. So then one of my teachers just told me that you can, and never stop, just try. And my friend, who inspired me a lot and told me that there are many people who are gonna tell you that you can't do anything in your life, where actually they can't do anything in their life. I studied hard, I worked hard actually, and then in test examination I got fever. I have caught cold, and I was just doing my exams. Then the result was published in December 2020. I saw that I have improved a lot from before. That horrible pre-test experience which was putting me down, and the test examinations result just lifted my mood up. I got an immense motivation from that result. And after that, I studied hard and give some model test examinations. So I got my confidence back, and after praying to Almighty Allah and studying seriously, this is the outcome of my hard work. I am really blessed with it, and thanks to you all for your prayers and this patience that you have listened me today. I am really blessed, excited, and thanks.
Thank you very much. Please take your seat.